DEXIS is a European partner for all industrial trades and is present throughout most of Europe. Our ambition is to support the growth and performance of all our customers by offering them a comprehensive range of solutions for industrial maintenance. Since 2015, our external growth strategy has been sustainably consolidated through the strengthening of our positions and our geographical footprint, the expansion of our product and service offering, and the creation of commercial synergies between our entities. Selected on the basis of demanding criteria and expertise, human values, and entrepreneurial culture, more than 40 companies have joined DEXIS in 5 years. The brand has been established in the United Kingdom since 2016. The Haley Group has been active for 40 years in the industry, rail and food processing sectors, building materials, engineering, and public services. It offers industrial maintenance, advanced expertise in mechanical, hydraulic, and pneumatic power transmission, and services such as assembly. The integration of Haley 24/7 strengthens its global service offering. The Haley Group covers the whole of the UK with 53 sales outlets. DEXIS is present in the Benelux countries. It has consolidated its activity in Belgium in recent years, particularly in the province of Antwerp, where the industrial sector is very dynamic. Central Auto, an expert in the control, maintenance, and repair of tire equipment, joined the company in 2019. Juvivia's 2,000 customers turn to it for its expertise in the repair of electric motors, geared motors, pumps, and frequency regulators. The company has been in existence for 90 years. Represented in Germany since 2011, the main acquisitions took place over the last 5 years. DEXIS Nolle und Nordhorn, acquired in 2020, is based in the northwest of Germany. In addition to its product offering, it provides value-added solutions such as pneumatic measurement services, hydraulic tube processing and assembly, and predictive maintenance services. In 2016, the group entered Austria with Steyerwerner, which specializes in mechanical, pneumatic, and hydraulic power transmission, and personal protective equipment. Based near Vienna, the company has 8 sales outlets. In Czech Republic, Kraft joined the company in 2019. It specializes in hydraulic and mechanical transmission solutions. In Slovakia, Hydraflex also joined the group in 2019. It is an expert in hydraulics and has 5 branches throughout the country. DEXIS has intensified its presence in northern Italy, a region where the industry is particularly active. There are 21 sales outlets. Among them, FITE, a specialist in linear guidance systems, has 2 branches, one in Milan and the other in Montemurlo in Tuscany. Atti Morganti joined DEXIS in 2019. Its 12 sales outlets offer a sophisticated range of bearings and pneumatic power transmission. Atti also has its own assembly center for motors and geared motors. The Iberian Peninsula is the territory where DEXIS has the greatest presence after France and the United Kingdom. DEXIS Iberica has been offering industrial maintenance services in Spain for over 40 years with 34 sales outlets. With intra-automation, the company has integrated cutting-edge expertise in the field of robotics and industrial automation, key areas of the Industry 4.0. The company is located in Barcelona and Valencia. DEXIS has 1/3 of its sales outlets in France. In 2017, it acquired new skills in linear guidance with the specialist FLI, France Linear Industry, located in Isère. In 2019, Rio Affûtage joined the brand. This specialist in sharpening, grinding, and the manufacture of cutting tools is now offering its technical expertise to 4MP, the European brand of DEXIS, for the production of customized machining tools. Today, our strategy is clear: to build a strong, visible, and value-creating brand. Our customers now benefit from the power of a specialized European partner, mobilized around 5 commitments: human and geographical proximity, business expertise, competitiveness and range breadth, availability, and performance solutions. Solid fundamentals that enable us to respond effectively and efficiently to the needs of productivity, competitiveness, and innovation in all sectors of the industry.